In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change phone number on Wise. If you need to update the phone number linked to your Wise account, this process is fairly straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Before you begin, make sure you can access your Wise account and that you're ready to complete any on-screen verification prompts, since account settings like this often require an extra security check. Start by going to the Wise homepage. Once the site loads, sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the official Wise website before entering any account information, especially when you're updating personal details. After you are in your account, look for the profile icon. This is usually located near the top area of the screen and gives you access to your account settings and personal information. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, select Personal Details. This section is where Wise stores the main information connected to your account, such as your identity and contact details. If you've never visited this section before, take your time and read the labels carefully so you choose the correct setting. Once you're in Personal Details, find the phone number option and click on it. This will take you to the area where you can manage or update the number currently associated with your account. Depending on your account status and Wise's security requirements, you may be asked to confirm your identity before making the change. That's normal, and it helps protect your account from unauthorized updates. From here, simply follow the steps shown on screen. Wise may ask you to enter your new phone number, confirm it, and complete a verification step, such as entering a code sent to your device. Make sure you type the new number carefully, including the correct country code if requested, to avoid delays or verification problems. As you go through the process, double check everything before saving the change. An incorrect number can make it harder to receive security codes or account alerts later. Once the update is complete, your new phone number should be linked to your Wise account. And that's it. That's how to change your phone number on Wise. If you're updating this for security reasons or because you changed devices or carriers, it's a smart idea to review your other account details as well and make sure everything is current